This is evidence-based nutrition. Today, we'll be looking at the classes of nutrients. Do you know that every food you eat belongs to one class of nutrients? Like I have said before, food is not just food. Your body actually doesn't recognize rice. It doesn't recognize beans. Your body recognizes nutrients. So in this video, I will be explaining the 6 classes of nutrients, what they do in the body, and the common foods they can be found in. These are the classes of nutrients that your body actually interacts with, and any food you eat falls into either of those nutrients. Some food can contain more than one class of nutrients, and such food most times are usually classified according to the nutrients they contain more. Before we continue, let's understand in details, like if someone asks you, what is nutrient or what are nutrients, what are you going to say? And it's good we define nutrients so that you understand exactly what we are talking about. Nutrients are those substances in the food that the body needs for energy, for growth, for repair, and for proper functioning. So it simply means that without nutrients, the body cannot grow. Without nutrients, if someone has a wound, the wound can never heal. Some people don't actually understand that when someone has a cut, the body actually takes from the nutrients it is fed with to heal the wound. That's why if you have a cut, after some time, blood stops flowing. If the body doesn't heal that spot, then the person will lose all his blood from that place. So for the body to be able to heal such wound, it requires nutrients from the food you eat. So that is how important nutrients can be to the body. Now, these nutrients we are talking about can fall in 6 classes. Sometimes you find a particular food containing more than one class of nutrients, and such food is usually classified according to the nutrients it has most. Sometimes a particular food can find its way into 2 classes of nutrients because it contains those classes of nutrients in reasonable quantity. Okay? Now, the 6 classes of nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Now, carbohydrates is the energy-giving food. It is the body's main primary source of energy. And as we continue in this channel, we will get to a point where we will define the metabolism of carbohydrates so that you will understand how carbohydrates actually interacts with the body. Like I told you, the body doesn't know what is rice or beans. It recognizes nutrients. And when food is eaten, the final product of digestion is what the body actually uses to work. This is for you to understand nutrients. And your understanding about nutrients will help you to make better food choices. Like I've said, food is not just food. Okay? Knowing what nutrients a food supplies and what that nutrient does in your body will give you opportunity to decide what enters your mouth. Remember, eating is a way of making a good health choice. If you eat the right nutrients in the right amount, your body stays healthy. If you don't eat the right nutrients, the body is compromised. In my next video, I will be explaining the various foods and the various classes of nutrients they contain, like foods that contain carbohydrates, foods that contain proteins, minerals, fats and oil, vitamins, and all that. So stay tuned to this channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and try to share this video with your friends.